Babies, we are going to grill the what's this wings, chicken wings, and of course the chef is a daddy. And then we put seasoning with what kind is that seasoning, sweetie? May I see, please? Here you go, spice rub. That's what I like, right? Yeah, that's what I like. When I taste it, it's hot. Oh gosh, it's so good. And then just turn over. And then after turn over, just put another one for the other side. With a handsome chef. It'll be our first time grilled chicken wings, so it's so exciting. Let's see later, but I'm sure it is. For another flavor, we're going to put this sweet and smoky rub. But we will let you know which one is a must, is a better taste later. I'm sorry, we changed the plan. We just put a Santa Maria instead of this. So this one is Santa Maria. And then you can pull up for that. I think that's so much for Mama, sweetie. I meant so much spice for Mama. What do you think?
It's fine, babe.
Okay, after we flip over, you put it again. Spice. I mean, what's that? The taste. Spice. Santa Maria.
Now I need another tray.
Cool. In another tray, we're going to use this one.
Your sticks are in my way.
My whisk? Oh, sorry. I can help you.
I'm good, babe.
Here you go. Oh, I can't see my face. There you go. Oh, I'm faster now, sweetie.
That's good.
Oh, there you go. Thank you so much, sweetie. There you go. There you are. Really good, sweetie. You're smart. You're smart than me. See? I'm fast now. Oops. Oops.
Yeah, you're fast, babe.
There you go. He is a chef, and I am the assistant. I mean, he is a father chef. I'm a mother chef. The grand chef, she is sleeping. I'm the one who's laughing. Okay, this is the
Guess we'll put the rest of these.
there What do you mean?
Make room, put more Santa Maria back.
Oh.
So,
Ooh, there's a fly.
yeah.
They're so cute, baby. Right? I got a girl crush with a we use more Santa Maria. Okay, this is our all chicken wings that we need to cook today. No, not we. My husband was going to cook. This is with a spicy a little bit that I like, and this is with the second one with a plastic. This is a Santa Maria. What's that called? I forgot, but it is Santa Maria. It is with like lemon, onion, garlic, and something. Looks yummy. Oh yeah. Let's cook them. Okay, my husband is cooking heating his grill, and now he's been checking with on this phone, through phone, Wi-Fi, and this is the heat, 284 degree already. How about this 250, sweetie?
I got it set for 280, but this app don't show that, man.
Oh, okay. So you are waiting for this to.
It's already at temp, man. This app don't go to 280. It only goes to 300, babe. See. So I got it set outside to 280.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. So this is the temperature. I guess he is going to
That's
set.
what I set at 300, but it's at should be like 281 right now.
Oh, okay. See, this is the temperature right now. Then he's going to set this one in the circle.
300.
300. So that's the one. So we are waiting for it to get the heat 300. Okay, we are waiting for this to get 200. Cool. And then we start cooking the chicken. Thank you, sweetie. Smile.
Okay.
Sweet. We are just laying down. Lay down. This looks so good. This is the one. This is a different one. The Santa Maria, and this is what a girl with the lemon.
$30, we'll flip them back.
Actually, 440.
Let's go check the chicken.
Let's go see. Go after 30 minutes. This is what it looks like. We'll flip over. It looks like that one. Ooh. Until
30 more minutes.
okay. ahead, sweetie.
But it
How you? Okay.
I went ahead and cranked it up to 350 now.
Oh. Oh my God! This is looks so good. Baby, did you check this after while I'm busy?
Just come out here and look at it. I
Okay.
stuck the camera with them to see if they were getting close.
Oh. Flip over again?
Yeah. Well, I turned the temp up to 350, babe.
Cool.
Try to get them a little more crispy.
Sweet. Looking good. Oh my gosh. Woo.
I got it, man.
How many degrees now, baby?
That's it. 150. Not done yet.
Yes, check. So how many minutes more? Cool. Yeah. There you go. Okay. How many minutes more?
Well, about 15, 20 minutes, babe. That'll be done.
Let's check. After 15 minutes, we ready this one already?
Checking the temp, babe. See what it is. That's like 190. What did it say, babe?
191, 194, 197,
Yep,
181, 180, 171, 184, 185.
I can't see.
168, 174, 175,
You're done,
176. Ooh, yeah! We're ready? Here you go. After how many minutes will you cook this one, sweetie?
Well, about an hour and 45 minutes.
Cool. And it looks so good. Oh my gosh. Who wanna try? Sweet. Oh, look at that color. So sweet. Oh, you didn't take a picture? There you go. This is the finished product. My husband cooked it and grilled. That's so yummy. This is the spicy. Oh no. This is Santa Maria. This is spicy. And this with the lemon. And then dispenser. Oh, Bro feels his mommy and my hubby and me. Let's eat. Santa Maria. Bit spicy. Bit lemon. Honey.
Those Santa Maria. That's Santa Maria seasoning there.
Get it, girlfriend.
That's like extra with that track the whole time, so You go there and you get one soft drink like $5.
Right there.
Yeah, miss much.
Oh,
Yeah,
You like it?
I like.
I want the milkshake.
Okay, for three different flavor, we like that lemon flavor. That's the best one. For me and my husband, the pet bowls. But everything is good.